Good morning everyone, welcome back to Karrera Cafe. It is day 5 and today we get to relax and enjoy the final detailing for the Marga Hills NSX NA2 manual. And it's been such an amazing journey. I can't believe we're done already. We were supposed to build till Monday next week, but car is done, car is looking immaculate. Today, Second Skin and the team are gonna do some final detail work on the car. Fitment's gonna put some spacers on it, but overall it came out amazing. Thank you to Karrera Cafe for hosting us today. And today's also F1, so it's gonna be a crazy day. We're gonna have a car show outside, so we're gonna walk out and try to film all the cars outside as well. The coffee here is so good. Yay! Thanks for passing by. Good morning. Me and David are already planning our F1 trip.
Yep, super excited.
We're planning to go to Imola and Monaco.
Imagine that, 2 races. Bubbles, my wife, yeah, we're going.
Does she watch?
Yes.
Oh, hi Bubbles. I think I'm gonna see you. It's his birthday. He needs a birthday pass.
Yep, thank you.
So today there's supposed to be a car show outside and I left the SVJ doors open so people can see what's inside of a Lamborghini Aventador. And here's the lineup for today. Got front parking because I was super early. We have the 355 manual F12 993 GT3 RS. Oh wait, there's a Supra down there. Let's go check it out. But look at this. Manual goodness, baby. Classic. Love the wheels. Very classic. Rodiform 993. Love this also. Nothing like a stock body with nice wheels. This is beautiful. It's like a GT2 RS probably. Nope, it's a GT3 RS. I love the color combination. This is a wrap though. It's a lava orange car underneath. Good morning, Jules. Good morning. Everyone's been telling me part of my JDM collection to get one of these, and honestly, like, I've never been in love with it because I find it so big. But looking at it now, it's got potential. I do love the engine of these things. The 2J is one of the best sounding inline sixes for me. That rear diffuser looks beautiful. This car is tastefully done. Happy Sunday! Keep the car open so people can appreciate it.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hit the make you want temperature to if you leave me a good time? I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. I'm loving the thought of me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never need a back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing. Got the finish work. Without you, I could feel lose my mind. Without you, I could feel fall and die. Without you, I could give up my life. Without you, never need a back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing. Another nigga, honey, lover, I wanna be a lover forever, forever. Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Gone time. Oh, they don't know. Gone time. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes. Whoop, whoop. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers. Hustlers. Gangsters. Bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach. I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I can't get it in. First, take your sip. Do your dip. Spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh. We too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so clear. Now, watch me break it down like, 24 karat, 24 karat. What's that sound? Come on now. 24 karat, 24 karat magic. Don't fight the feeling, invite the feeling. Just put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? Tell me what you're trying to do. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Yeah, my baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I hit the Mickey with the temperature is? If you leave me a good time, I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, I'm loving the thought of me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never did it back on this street. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing.
It's on the invite. No revving, no mooning, no revving. Be respectful. This is the end of the day and it's Sunday. I want to get some rest. Thank you so much to everyone that showed up. Thank you so much to our sponsors, Second Skin, Carborn Racing, Fitment, Modal Philippines, M-Track Batteries, and obviously Karrera Cafe here in Block 10 in Philinvest. And the crowd's outside waiting for me to start the car.